Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add and make stickers in Noteful. So let's get straight into it. First of all, let's go and add stickers in your Noteful. So here at the left side we have this toolbar, and right here if we click on this one, we have here, you will see stickers. Click on that, and what you will need to do is you will need to install samples. So these are the samples which you already have here in Noteful, like that. Now we can also make ourselves a sticker. So you can do that if you have something. For example, I make this sticker from my photo album. This is one way that you can do that. So how to do that? Let's go and try. So right here with a plus button, and then go here to import file. So click on import file. Now as you can see, it will open up your browser in your file in your iPad. Then what you can do is here search for something which you want to add. So for example, let's give this one here add, like so. Yes, give it to this one, and now you see here that we have sticker right over here, new one. So this is one way. So the second way is that we go here to the browser, and let's say just for fun I will type. So let's for example give this one in our long press to the picture. And now here we can copy it. So copy, and now go back to your Noteful, and right here we can place it. If we long press, you will see paste. So now we can click paste and allow, and right here we have our Jerry. Now what we can do is click on the image and then scroll here where we have some options, and you will see save right here. Click on that, and now we can add new stickers to our inventory. Save, and voila, we have a new stickers right over here. So if we go to this button here, or this one is shortcut, now we have our Jerry right over here. So Tom and Jerry, I don't know which one is it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next